So the first thing I'll be doing is to go back to the dashboard and click on the new name reservation. So here on the dashboard, I'll click the new name reservation. So it will bring you to this place where you are asked to enter your business classification. Of course, we are here for business name. I'll click on business name. So on the business type, you click on sole proprietor. Then you click on continue. So now this is the company information that we are being asked to enter our name, for the proposed name you want to use for this registration. Let me see. So you click on the nature of business category, the category that you want your business to be, or business category you want it to be. So you want to look at that and choose the one that best is suitable for your business. So I'll just go for order service activity. So under the specific nature of business, I'll go for advertisement. Then now when you are done, this is where you check the availability, if this particular name you've chosen is available. So I'll click on check availability. Now you can see we are good to go. They say congratulations, the proposed name is available for registration. So when you have this, you are actually good to go. But if not, let's say this is not good to go, they can just tell you that sorry, you have to choose another name. So there's no cause for alarm. You just have to continue with the twist and get the suitable name. So I'll just click on continue.